Welcome to Yeezy Day 2022. The day started at 3 a.m. guys. It is time to get ready for one of the biggest sneaker days. We've got the countdown timer on the confirmed app, and that is for 6 a.m. I don't know what the first release is. Like you guys out in the US yesterday, the first release was the 450s, but we're going in dark. So let's get this workout. 5 a.m. right now. Got about an hour to go home, get set up, get everything sorted, because the first release of Yeezy Day 2022 is at 6 freaking a.m. Let's get back to the house. Let's get everything set up and ready to go. Just got home and literally the first drop is the freaking core black, the red stripes. They're up on confirmed. So that's the first one at 6 a.m. Now, along with this, I will say that they did a bunch of like kids shoes as well. So they did like infants and kids of both the static 350s and the static 700 V2s. I'm following along on Yeezy Mafia's live stream on the computer. It looks like the next drop, according to Yeezy Mafia, is at 10 a.m. UK time, so it's like 4 hours away, so I don't know, maybe I'll just get some breakfast. Quick little update, guys. I saw a couple people post to their stories, like going on the Adidas website and their launch calendar and actually seeing some of the drop times. We've got the next 2 releases at least. So the next one is at 8 a.m. and it is the Vermilion Foam Runner. So hopefully you can see that. We've got Vermilion at 8 a.m. and then we've got the Turtledoves at 1 p.m. So pretty big news, pretty big update, and I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. Next release is actually pretty sneaky, so check out what they did. So you've got the 450s, you've got to click on that, scroll all the way down, and hidden at the bottom is the Vermilion Foam Runners. What the hell? How do they expect anybody to find that? If you didn't know, it's going to be so hard to find. Let's see how this one goes. So, yeah, they just said that it's sold out, so I didn't manage to get them. It is breakfast time. God damn. Right, currently 8:30 a.m. So just a quick bit of breakfast before we carry on the day. There's nothing really showing up that's going to be dropping at 9, so we're just going to have to wait and see. According to Yeezy Mafia, the next drop is at 10, but also he didn't load up the Vermilion Foam Runners. And we have made it to the next drop. It's the Supermoon Yellow Yeezy 500. Is it blown out? Can you see it? A pair of shoes just came in the mail, so I thought for Yeezy Day, why don't we unbox a pair of Yeezys? So we'll do that in a minute. And then also, I guess the next thing that's happening today is the Belugas. They only draw winners at 2 p.m. So plenty of time for the Belugas. That's the next one. I also have the red stripes that are drawing on the app now. And haven't received a W yet, which is not a good sign. I do really want the red stripes, so I am praying I get a W. Right, guys, like I said, we got a package in the mail. So we're going to do a quick unboxing while we're waiting on these Supermoons. So we're still in the draw for that. So let's see what we got here. These dropped yesterday. It's the Yeezy 450. So let's pull them open. The Utility Black 450. Pretty much identical to the Dark Slates. I mean, they're nice. I liked the Dark Slate, so if you like the Dark Slate, you're probably gonna like these. Basically just like a more black version than the Dark Slate. I feel like these should have been called Dark Slate, and then the other ones should have been called Utility Black. Hopefully this is not the only Yeezy Day W I get. Hopefully we get plenty more, but we're gonna have to wait and see. I'm still waiting in this release for the Supermoon Yellows. Okay, guys, look, we got a big update, okay? We got a big update. I got 2 pairs so far. So, first one is the Supermoon Yellows. I'm not too surprised at that. I don't think too many people went for these. But as you can see, it says winner. I'm happy about that. Listen, if I can come away with a couple W's, I'm happy. But the main one I am excited about, the freaking Core Blacks. That's big for me, man. I really wanted a pair of these things. So yeah, so far Yeezy Day's looking okay. Hopefully we get some more like crazier pairs in the afternoon, some foam runners, some slides. The 700 V3 Azael, I'm praying drops in the UK. Yo. Okay guys, so a hidden pair. Check this out. You go into the Yeezy, the Beluga post, and you click there. Foam runners, we got the MX Carbons. I'm gonna enter now. I also need to update my shit. It's a Q drop. It's like taking forever to get me in this drawer. This has been loading for a good like 5 minutes at least with no update. So I'm really just hoping. And there's so many errors. Like I couldn't even enter the drop. It just says sold out now. Like it literally just kept loading until it says sold out. So that's an L. And now nothing else is working. This is just saying error as well for the Belugas. I mean, jeez. Alright, here's what's up next, guys. It's the Analog 700 V1s. Again, I apologize for this being blown out, but it's like either I'm blown out or the computer's blown out. My girlfriend really wants them, so we agreed that I would go for her size. So that's what I'm gonna do. There we go. We are in, ready to go for my girlfriend's size. Cool thing about these is that they actually dropped the price. So like, obviously, originally when they released, it was £250. Now they're $220. According to Adidas, the next release would be the Turtledoves at 1 p.m. So I'm crossing my fingers. If that happens, that's going to be the biggest one. Those are the ones I really need. It all comes down to this moment. My battery just died on my camera, so I'm kind of panicking a little bit. This is the Turtledove release, by the way, guys. We don't know where this is going to be loading up or dropping. It's not on the confirmed app as of right now. You know what? It's time to break out a monster. Get my brain a little bit more alert for this one. Yeezy Mafia is saying that it's live, but it is nowhere to be found. I cannot find it. Where they at? It's been a whole 15 minutes and still nothing. We're currently over an hour away from when the Turtledoves were supposed to drop, and nothing. There is nothing uploaded on the app except a pair of slides. So it's actually the green glow slides. Let me show you how crazy this is in terms of like how much hiding they've done of shoes here in the UK. Go to the Yeezy Foam Runner article. You have to press on that. Scroll down to the very bottom of the article. See that tiny little thing? You gotta press that. And once you press that, there you go, the green glow slides. Still no sign of the Turtledoves. It is 3 p.m. So we're going for the next drop, which is these right here, the Hyperspace. This is a 350 that I've always wanted, but just obviously never had the opportunity. I believe when they originally launched, it was like an Asia exclusive. We are in the queue, so yeah, let's see what happens. Like my DMs on Instagram are destroyed right now, just full of people asking what the hell is going on with Turtledove. So for anybody who's watching this who did DM me, I apologize if I didn't reply. It's just because I've got so many. Your DM is probably buried. It is now almost 4 p.m. here in the UK, and I am very quickly losing my mind. My butt is sore, I'm starving, and I just need fresh air. It is hot and I'm cooped up in this room. Either way, the last pair of shoes that I hit is the 350 Hyperspace. I actually got a pair which I'm pretty happy with. Now the next drop is actually at 4 p.m. so in 6 minutes, and that's going to be the Sesame 350s and the high-res blue 700 V1. Those Sesames literally sold out within like a minute. It's literally 4:01 and the registration is closed. It says sold out if I click on it. Found the high-res blue, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter that one, see if I get a W. It's a draw, so it's super easy. It ends in 2 hours, so I'm just gonna enter that, see what happens. Alright, we're taking a little break because I got my food. This is my staple meal right here. This is one of the best meals you'll ever have. I literally have this every single day. It is chicken, rice, and Uncle Ben's sweet and sour sauce. You cannot get better than this. Because Yeezy Mafia just updated on the Turtledove situation. He basically just said that they're delayed, so we're kind of expecting them to drop later on today. Nice and full now and ready to go. Next up, we got the 700 V3 Azael. I'm I'm super excited about these. Like, if I get these things, they're going straight to feet. Like, I'm hyped. Let's go. We are in and ready to go. So the 6 p.m. drop is a pair of Yeezy slides, which is the ochre colorway, but I got a pair. I do not need a pair, so I'm gonna be passing up on these. At the bottom of the article, when you're on the app, you can actually hit buy now, which is something obviously that wasn't there. We keep getting server issues. Like, the app is bugging, man. My God, I don't even know what to say. Just got out of the shower and I found out that the Turtledoves are cancelled. So after a full day, that being the priority for most people, they cancelled it. So as of right now, we don't actually know why or like what's the reason it was cancelled, because it was definitely lined up to drop here in the UK. Like, it was on the Adidas website. They then delayed it. Yeezy Mafia didn't really know what was going on, and now Yeezy Mafia updated his live stream and said that it's cancelled. Again, we don't know why. I put it up on my story, and I mean, just look at the DMs flooding in. Like, look at what is even going on? I know there's going to be so many people that are so pissed, and I don't even know what to say. Just to wrap everything up, listen, I'm still in a couple draws. So I'm in this one. This is the Azrael, and I'm also in the Onyx Foam Runner drawer. Yo, but on the bright side, I got a W on the Azraels. Listen, I'm still pissed, but I'm pretty happy I managed to get a pair of these. I'll update you guys this weekend on Sunday. Every single week we do upcoming sneakers, and that's where I'll be able to let you guys know what happened with the Turtledoves and if I managed to get the Azraels and the Onyx Foam Runners. Let me know what happened to you down in the comment section. Let me know if overall the day was worth it. Again, in the US as well, let me know. Thank you for coming through and hanging out with me for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.